This installation movie is an example of one of many systems. Installation can vary according to vehicle or ladder. More specific instructions can be obtained through info@primedesigneurope.eu. Make sure to check if all the items are included using the checklist in the assembly instructions. Keep the right orientation for optimal aerodynamics. Again, this is a specific example. Mounting will vary according to the vehicle used. Use existing tie points of the vehicle. Smear the bolts with anti-seize compound. Make sure not to fit the bolts too tightly at this stage. Measure on both sides the necessary distance. The roller must be installed far enough to not damage the vehicle with the ladder when loading.